everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with either Be Creative, one of my channels, or Tapping Flamingo. I haven't decided which one I'm going to put this on, but today I am out in the garden and I'm getting ready to pick some beads. Yes, B-E-A-D-S. I'm going to make some stuff with some beads that I have, well, my son planted for me. Here they are. These are called Job's Tears. You can see where I've already picked quite a few. Some of them are kind of green, so we don't want to pick the green ones.
Because it's still growing.
Yep. And we have all different colors. We've got gray and black and white. Let's see. And I come out here about every other day.
How about you can put it in the grass?
Put what in the grass?
Uh-huh.
No, I don't want to spill it. Here, we'll just put it right here. Like that. Let's see. Don't want to spill it though.
Yes.
Spill all my beans all over the place. She actually wants to probably go jump in the pool. It is hot today. I've already got quite a few of these picked and I've cleaned some of them out. And I'm going to make something, so stay tuned for that tutorial video. And let me get some more of these and I'll be right back. So sorry about the finger in the way. It's really hard to film sometimes when it's sunny because you can't really see what you're filming. Oh well. So here's one of those Job's Tears. I don't see that right there. That actually has to come out. They have a natural hole. I just take a pin and poke it in the bottom and just kind of swoosh it on the inside there, and these fibers that are inside come out. And I've got a video where I show how to do that. I'm not going to show how I do that today. I'm just going to make some jewelry. All right, here's what I've picked from the garden. I was probably out there maybe 5 minutes picking, and look at all the different colors. Now some of these that are a little bit more on the green side, not for sure they were really ready to be picked, but they did fall off, so I grabbed them. They're probably going to be a little bit harder to get that husk out of the center. So we have some white ones, got these little black ones, gray, and see this one you can really see that husk in the middle. All right, so let me get some out that I've already cleaned up. Oh, let me turn this over. There, okay. So I've kind of been working on some, and I think I'm gonna make a pair of earrings. I'm not 100% sure yet. Let's see, these are already cleaned out. And some of them I've just made links with. These would be kind of fun to maybe like put a little bead in the middle and make a necklace. But I'm not going to do that today. Oh, I have the other one. I actually wired these while we were traveling. I was cleaning them out and wiring them up. But I have all these to mess with. And I think the plan is I'm going to take 3 for each earring and make them into like a link. Well, not a link. Well, one of them will have to be a link. Here, let me show you what I mean. All right, I've got some head pins that I'm going to be using. And let's see. I think I'm going to do 3 beads. That looks like a good one. Maybe I'll do 3 different colors. Or let's see. Okay, these will be good for the bottom. And then a white one in the middle. And then maybe a gray one at the top. Yeah. Okay, let me put these away. so I'm going to need some eye pins and some head pins both. All right, first thing I'm going to do, and I think I'm going to actually use the darker ones for the bottom. So I have a head pin. I'm going to put it through the bottom there, like that. And then I'm going to take some flat nose pliers, and I'm just going to make a simple loop. And I'm going to save that. I'm probably going to use it here in just a second. And then I need to roll a loop. Probably should have cut it down a little bit more. Let me cut it down just a little bit more. Okay. All right, so I've got that one done. Then, let's see, I want to do white. Is this going to be big enough? Yeah. So I want to do a loop on each side. And I'm actually making these for somebody in particular. It's a little gift. But, you know, I might think about making some and put them in my shop. I don't know, what do you think? Should I do that? Or would it be better to just make a kit? And then y'all can make something. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I wanna make sure the teardrop faces up. Okay, and then I gotta make another link. And I'm going to use one of these lighter ones. I'm just using an eye pin for this. So all I have to do is make one loop. And I'll probably use that scrap for my other earring. I keep all my scraps because they come in handy. When you're making jewelry, you can use a lot of your scraps in your other projects. Okay. We need to open that up. I just got to get some ear wires. All right, went and got some ear wires. I want to make sure, I want to always make sure that this is closed. I don't like the way that looks. It's kind of funky looking, don't you think? Let me see if I can make that look better. Use this one since it's already open. And I can, sorry, I'm getting out of the frame here. Got this new contraption from my sister for my birthday, and I'm learning how to use it. So sorry for getting out of the frame. Here, let me do this. how I had everything set up was a lot easier for me. So it's just learning a new angle. I think it's closed. I'll work on that a little bit more, but that's basically what we have there. See if I can do better with this one. So we use the darker bead, and I'm gonna put it on a head pin. I think there's still some stuff in this one. See? Even when I've bought these, there's been stuff in them. Okay, let's work on this a little bit better before I finish these earrings. In fact, I remember the first time I worked with Job's beads, as I was making a piece, all the stuff started coming out. I had no idea what it was. All right, I think I have it cleaned out there. All right. So I put this on a head pin. Bend it at an angle. Clip it off, which I'll be using both of those. Move all this. And we're going to roll a loop. Okay. Then one thing too, I think the next time I make these, I may put a little tiny seed bead at the bottom and maybe even a bead cap. But let me finish these off how we're doing them. Whoops. So we need to make a loop. And this will be for white to bead. So the center bead, you're making a link. A link is something that has one loop on each end. Like that. That is considered a link. Okay. And now we're going to connect these, making sure that the big end of the teardrop shape is at the bottom. Now, if you wanted to do it the other way, you could, but this is just how I'm designing them now. And then I'm going to take that other scrap and make another link. Oops. Spin that first. Make sure everything's closed up. And then open that. Put that in there like that. Close it up. Make sure everything is closed tightly. Usually before I give or send off my earrings to anybody, I usually go back and make sure that everything is closed up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Actually, I've already got the ear wire open, so I don't need to open this one back up. So I want to make sure it is closed. All right. And we're just about done. there we are. Oh, those are fun. What do you think? You like these earrings? I do. They're going to have some really nice movement to them too. What do you think of these? Have you ever grown Job's tears? And by the way, did you know that you could actually eat these? This is a type of grain. I have no idea how to process it in order to make it a grain. You probably have to grind them. These beads are actually, they're already hard. I mean, I just harvested these a few minutes ago. I haven't even cleaned them out. And I don't know, see this, that stuff that's fallen out of them? But I don't know if you can hear that. Here, listen. Putting them on the table. They're very hard. Whoops, sorry. And anyway, they make great beads. And like I said, let me know down in the comment section below if you've ever grown your own jewelry making beads. That's so fun. You should try it. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette signing out for now. Bye-bye. Here they are all finished. Look at them. Nice movement to them.